Hi there, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today I was going to show you another little menu hover effect. We did one yesterday with an underline. I've got another one here with a background on each link when we hover over. But I'm not going to do that today because I've run into a little problem. I created this yesterday to make a video. When I came to Divi today, there's an update available. Now watch what happens when I update. As you can see, I've got 5.8.1 installed. I'm going to upgrade to 5.9 there. So let's select it. We'll hit update. Very simple process. And let's go back to our page. Now, if I refresh this page, my header's completely broken. There's my logo. It's huge. It's my little mega menu drop down and my menu prices. None of the colors are working. Nothing is working at all there. That's the actual mega menu drop down there that actually has a colored background. It's not working. And if we roll down a bit more, here's where the actual page starts there. Now I've tried clearing the cache, purge this page. And yet again, it doesn't help. So there's a couple of options we can try. The one I'm going to really demo today is rolling back to the previous version. If we go down to our dashboard now, go down to Divi, to the theme options here. I'm going to roll over here to updates. Now one of the options you can try is once you get here, you can clear the CSS cache again, see if that works, doing it within Divi. Let's roll back. Unfortunately, we still got that problem. Another option is we can go down to the support center here. And in case there's a problem with a plugin or a third-party bit of software here, we can go to Safe Mode. If you roll down the page, you'll find Safe Mode. If I enable it, we're going to lose a lot of these plugins that we've got here. Now, as you may have noticed, we've lost a few of our plugins here because it's disabled and to make sure they're not causing a conflict. Let's try that one more time. No, we've still got that problem. Okay, well, let's make sure that we turn Safe Mode off. So we've got our regular plugins enabled here. I'm going to go back to the theme options. To the updates. I'm going to roll back to the previous version. If nothing else works, this is my go-to. It's telling us what's going to happen. And it's a very quick process, as you can see. And we can tell we've rolled back because there's an update available again right there. Now, if I go back to this site and we refresh one more time, we've got our little menu back as it should be. So there are a few options. If your site's not working, clear the CSS cache first. If that doesn't work, try Safe Mode. Make sure there's no conflicts with the plugins. And if that still doesn't work, you can easily roll back to the previous version, which I find usually fixes it. We've got our regular menu back. And here's a little hover effect, and I'll demonstrate this in the next video for you. So a little short and sweet video today, but that's something that every Divi user really needs to know. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions either about Divi 4 or Divi 5, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.